How to record shows on Peacock TV. Now in this video, I'm going to be providing you a DIY method for you to be able to record shows on your Peacock TV account. Now if you head straight into Peacock TV's application or via the web version, Peacock TV does not actually offer a built-in recording for or playback from its subscription or anything that is inside Peacock. So what we will be doing here instead is we're gonna use OBS Studio. Now, good thing about using this is it will not be on a black screen while recording on a specific show on Peacock TV. So this is what you will be doing. So once you launch OBS Studio, all you have to do is to add a source by clicking this plus icon and then choose on browser. Now let's just name it as Peacock and then hit on OK. Hit on OK once again. Now make sure that you already copied the URL or the link of your Peacock TV. If you're using it as a web version, just double click on the source that you created, change the URL into Peacock TV's link and hit on OK. Now, as you can see, it cast out into the screen and all I have to do is to play the movie and start recording. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to be able to record shows on Peacock TV.